How to make a Sagittarius man fall in love with a Taurus woman. The dynamic between a Sagittarius man and a Taurus woman can be intriguing yet challenging due to their contrasting traits. While the Sagittarius man is spontaneous, adventurous, and free-spirited, the Taurus woman is grounded, patient, and sensual. Get a man hooked on you. Discover what men secretly want and become his secret obsession. Click the link below in the description to learn more. If you're a Taurus woman looking to win a Sagittarius man's heart, here are 7 essential tips to build a strong and lasting bond. 1. Embrace new experiences. Sagittarius men love adventure. Show interest in trying new things and stepping outside of your comfort zone. Whether it's traveling or trying new activities, your openness to exploration will capture his attention. 2. Give him space. Freedom is vital to a Sagittarius man. Avoid being too possessive and allow him the space he needs to pursue his passions. Respecting his need for independence will make him appreciate your presence even more. 3. Engage him intellectually. A Sagittarius man is drawn to deep conversations. Show your intellectual side by discussing topics like philosophy, culture, or travel. Stimulating his mind is key to attracting him. 4. Be patient with his restlessness. Sagittarius men can be unpredictable. Your patience and steady nature will act as a grounding influence, giving him the stability he seeks while he explores new opportunities. 5. Show your sense of humor. Sagittarius men love a good laugh. Don't be afraid to share jokes and engage in playful banter. Lightheartedness will help create a joyful connection between you. 6. Be confident. Confidence is attractive to a Sagittarius man. Embrace your own sense of self-worth and independence. A Taurus woman who knows what she wants will be more alluring to him. 7. Use physical affection. Though Sagittarius men are intellectual, physical affection can help foster emotional intimacy. Gentle touches, hugs, and moments of closeness will help deepen your bond. In conclusion, winning the heart of a Sagittarius man as a Taurus woman involves balancing adventure with stability, intellectual connection with emotional warmth. By respecting his freedom and engaging in meaningful conversations, you can build a relationship that lasts. Do you want to get him chasing you like crazy? Discover what men secretly want and make him want you forever. Click the link below in the description to learn more. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment and share this video.